Hello viewers, I'm here with yet another power-packed video on retail lecture. Let's see what do we have here. Let's get started. Normally, this is the template that I use. The lecture discusses and the main topic and highlights its key aspects. Firstly, for instance, the lecture also covers, in conclusion, the lecture provides valuable insights into. So if you use this template, then you should be able to also smoothly do the transition between sentences. Let's listen into the first audio. As the world's population grows, ensuring everyone has access to sufficient, nutritious food is a critical challenge. Sustainable farming practices offer a promising solution to this challenge. Firstly, sustainable farming involves methods that are environmentally friendly, such as reducing chemical use, conserving water, and promoting biodiversity. These practices are not only crucial for protecting our environment, but also for ensuring long-term agricultural productivity. Healthy ecosystems are more resilient and can provide the resources needed for continuous food production. Secondly, sustainable farming includes a focus on local production and distribution. By supporting local food systems, we can reduce the carbon footprint associated with long-distance transportation of food. Additionally, local farming empowers communities, supports the local economy, and ensures fresher, more nutritious food reaches consumers. However, transitioning to sustainable farming requires effort and collaboration from various stakeholders, including governments, farmers, and consumers. It involves embracing new technologies, investing in education, and creating policies that support sustainable practices. In conclusion, sustainable farming is not just an environmentally responsible choice. It's a necessary step towards global food security and a healthier planet. By adopting these practices, we can ensure that future generations have access to the food they need to thrive. With so much information, I can speak back to the software by saying the lecture discusses about sustainable farming and highlights its key features. Firstly, it helps in methods that are environmentally friendly for agricultural productivity. The lecture also covers how sustainable farming in collaboration from farmers, governments, and stakeholders can increase food productivity. In conclusion, the lecture provides valuable insights into how sustainable farming is necessary step towards food security for the future generation. So viewers, this is how you need to speak with oral fluency and with good pronunciation. Of course, the content has to get at least 3 points out of 5, but the rest oral fluency 5 out of 5. Pronunciation should be anywhere around 5 out of 5. If you try and speak for 40 seconds and with oral fluency and pronunciation and with little bit of content, that is more than sufficient. Okay, let us look at another lecture. Space exploration is a testament to human curiosity and technological advancement. From peering into the stars with early telescopes to landing rovers on Mars, this journey illustrates our relentless pursuit to understand the cosmos. The story of space exploration began with early astronomers like Galileo, who used telescopes to observe celestial bodies. This marked the beginning of a new era in understanding our universe. Fast forward to the 20th century, when the launch of Sputnik, the first artificial satellite, ignited the space race, leading to remarkable milestones including the historic Apollo moon landing in 1969. In recent years, space exploration has entered a new frontier with missions to Mars. Rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance have been exploring the Martian surface, searching for signs of past life and paving the way for future human missions. These rovers represent incredible feats of engineering and symbolize our ongoing quest to explore the unknown. Space exploration is more than just scientific endeavor. It inspires us to look beyond our planet and consider our place in the universe. Each discovery brings new knowledge and raises important questions about our future in space. In conclusion, the journey of space exploration is a continuous voyage of discovery, innovation, and inspiration, demonstrating the boundless potential of human ingenuity. Okay, with little bit of information, let's try the second lecture this time. The lecture discusses about the space exploration and highlights its key aspects. Firstly, it helps us into understanding our universe and the cosmos. For instance, Apollo moon landing in 1916 was a breakthrough. The lecture also covers the recent rovers which are helping us look beyond our planet. In conclusion, the lecture provides valuable insights into continuous voyage of discovery and innovation. So viewers, I hope you all enjoyed this video. This is Sridhar signing off from CELPIP Academy. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. Also comment below. This way I'll be able to come up with more such videos in the future for you. See you on the other side. Thanks for watching.